Once the start button is pushed, the display will then show the correct water level, then pressure and temperature is reached. At the end of the cycle, the vent process begins, emptying steam and water back into the reservoir. It is important at this time to keep clear to prevent burning yourself on the steam, as it will be very hot. The M9 or M11 autoclave will then beep, alerting you to the door about to be opened. Once the door opens slightly, the beginning of the drying process starts. The end of the drying cycle also signals the end of the sterilisation process. The autoclave must now be unloaded, and it is important to unload equipment correctly to ensure that nothing now becomes contaminated just after you've sterilised it, and to prevent injury to the operator, as things can be really quite hot. Items must now be allowed to cool. Whilst cooling, it's important to check the parameters of the autoclave and the cycle. For this purpose, we're going to presume that the autoclave has a printer, so you'd print that off and check that the temperatures and the pressure and everything were within the parameters that is required for the sterilisation process. I'm also going to check the laminated pouches to ensure that they're dry, and then once cool, check for visible damage, and also that any chemical indicators show the desired results, to make sure that they are in fact sterilised. And then lastly, I'm going to make sure that the items are handled correctly for storage. Thank you very much.